Cooks, who is unbox owner of Tesla latest FSD software for both Tesla car and Cybertruck, have given some latest update on new version. 23rd September, he says FSD Supervised version 12.5.4 and actually smart someone with sunglasses support is installing on his 2024 Model Y. And he also find latest software build number 2024.27.25 on Model Y 2024 car. So in a wide release, FSD version 12.5.4 with actually smart someone has started distributing 2024.27.25 software update.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free